Everyone thinks the best-selling tires for the Honda Pilot are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you take a closer look, you'll find some options that might surprise you. Product number 1. Full-Way All-Season Tires. First up, we have the Full-Way 215/60 R16 All-Season Radial Tires. Priced at $264.93, these tires caught my attention with their solid 4.6-star rating from 726 reviews. If you want a reliable all-season tire that balances performance and cost-effectiveness, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These tires feature a 4-ply construction, which means they're built to handle heavier loads and resist punctures better than standard tires. Plus, with a load range XL, they're perfect for your Honda Pilot capacity. The UTQG rating of 380 AA indicates decent tread wear and traction, so expect these to last a while under regular driving conditions. Now, some people complained about not having the longest tread life. Here's the thing, though. While they may not outlast some premium brands, they still perform admirably for the price. It's a solid pick for those who prioritize affordability without sacrificing performance. This is perfect for you if you want a good balance of cost and durability. Skip this one if you frequently drive in extreme conditions where performance is critical. Now, if the tread life concern bothered you, the next option might be even better for durability and performance. Product number 2. Full-Way HP 108 Performance Tires. Next, we have the Full-Way HP 108 All-Season Performance Radial Tires. At $272.93 with a solid 4.5-star rating from 417 reviews, these tires are designed for performance driving. If you're looking for an upgrade that enhances handling and responsiveness, this is definitely worth considering. What makes these tires stand out is their enhanced handling capabilities. Thanks to the 98H speed rating, which means they can handle higher speeds efficiently. With a UTQG rating of 380 AA, you can expect good tread wear and traction, making these tires suitable for everyday driving and spirited weekend trips. They also come with a sleek black sidewall design that keeps your Honda Pilot looking sharp. However, some users have mentioned that they can be a bit noisy on the highway. I'll be real with you. If you're sensitive to tire noise, this might be something to consider. But for most drivers, the performance benefits far outweigh this minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you want performance and style on your Honda Pilot. Skip this if you prioritize noise reduction over performance handling. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want even more versatility. Product number 3. Another Full-Way HP 108 option. Another version of the Full-Way HP 108 tires is available in the 185/60 R15 size for $193.93. With a rating of 4.3 stars from 552 reviews, these tires are a budget-friendly alternative. If you're looking for a reliable all-season tire that won't break the bank, consider this option. This model also features a 4-ply construction rated at load range SL, meaning it provides decent support and durability for everyday driving. The all-season tread design ensures performance in various weather conditions, which is crucial for those unpredictable days. With a UTQG rating of 380 AA, you can expect it to offer a good balance of traction and tread life. Now, some people noted that these tires lose grip in severe winter conditions. Here's the thing. While they're great for most conditions, if you live in an area with heavy snow, you might want to invest in dedicated winter tires. For regular driving and moderate climates, they're a fantastic value. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option for everyday driving. Skip this if you often encounter severe winter weather where specialized tires are necessary. Now, if you're seeking something more high-end for serious performance, the next tire might be exactly what you need. Product number 4. Full-Way PC 369 All-Season Tires. Next up are the Full-Way PC 369 All-Season Truck/SUV Performance Radial Tires, priced at $399.93. With a 4.6-star rating from 128 reviews, these tires are built specifically for SUVs like the Honda Pilot. If you need a tire that can handle heavier loads while still delivering strong performance, This is a great option to look into. These tires have a load range SL and 4-ply construction, making them more durable and capable of supporting your pilot's weight. They're designed to perform in a variety of conditions, which is ideal for those who drive in mixed weather. The all-season performance means you can trust them through rain, snow, or dry roads. However, a few users mention that they can be a bit bulky. I get it, if you're looking for a tire that feels light and nimble, you might feel weighed down. But for heavy-duty use and reliability, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a tough tire for your SUV that can tackle mixed conditions. Skip this if you're looking for a lightweight tire that feels zippy on the road. Alright, that was a heavy-duty option. But if you want something that combines high performance with style, the last tire on our list could be just what you need. Product number 5, Michelin Pilot Sport AS4. Finally, we have the Michelin Pilot Sport AS4, priced at $298.99 and boasting a 4.7-star rating from 162 reviews. This tire is engineered for those who want high performance without sacrificing all-season versatility. If you're serious about performance driving, this is worth your attention. The Pilot Sport AS4 has exceptional wet and dry grip, making it a top choice for drivers who want confidence in all weather conditions. The asymmetric tread pattern enhances handling and stability, while the dynamic response technology ensures even wear for longer life. This means you can enjoy the thrill of driving your Honda Pilot without worrying about premature wear. However, the price point is higher than the others on this list. If you're on a tight budget, this might feel like a stretch. But if you value performance and longevity, it could be a smart investment. This is perfect for you if you're an enthusiast who wants top-notch performance from your tires. Skip this if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without the premium performance features. Now, all 5 tires have something unique to offer, and they cater to different needs and budgets, making it easier for you to find the right fit for your Honda Pilot. To wrap things up, we covered a range of tires from the budget-friendly full-way options to the high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport AS4. Depending on what you prioritize, be it cost, performance, or durability, there's definitely a tire here for you. Choose wisely, and happy driving.